Okay, guys. So yeah, today I did a new video, but yeah. So you see, I've got this seer. How's it called? Let me see. Yeah, I have quite a lot, and it's called Chroma Karambit, Chroma Rifle, Chroma Sparkle, Corrupted Hammer, Oracle, Rainbow Force, Rainbow Scythe. Okay, Rainbow's here. I have the rainbows here, and you're surely very mad that you can't get seers, but now with a new code you can get seers. But please, Murderville, join the for codes, new and many cool rewards. So guys, just go and do that. Join the Murderville group. Let's see, does she have the? No, she doesn't have the, because I thought she had the rainbow over here. That's my brother. So the code is all caps, seer, but the E's are threes. Look. Sorry. Seer already used. That gives me that. Okay. Die. Okay. Okay, James, get the gun, yeah. So yeah, my brother is gonna get the gun. Come. Okay. So, no me mates, eh? Okay, sorry, it's just I'm talking with my brother, but yeah. Whoop! Let's see, please die. Whoop! Okay, one death. No me mates. Perdona. Porque quería darle al otro. Es que... Sorry guys. But yeah. I'm gonna try and kill everybody and then I'm gonna... Let's see, people. Where are people? Maybe it's the what? Okay, I think how you say rainbows here 5 times, and then effects. I want the rainbow flames. Okay, so guys, maybe there's somebody. Whoop. Ah, que ya me disparaste una vez. My brother already hit me one time. So if I find somebody, that's it. my brother showed me a cool thing, but sorry about my brother. What? Now everybody's. So I killed everybody. That's strange then. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna give the code to my brother. Okay, well, if you liked the video, leave a like. And if you're new, subscribe. Bye. They just killed me. Well, bye. Yeah, 1 second. And